What's up, people, and welcome to slmworkfromhome.com. And in this video, I'm going to show you this remote home opportunity that pays you for taking customer service calls in the comfort of your own home. But you're going to want to make sure you watch the entire video, and I'll tell you exactly how to get started. Arise was the first platform that I used to make consistent money, and they have a ton of remote opportunities to choose from. So if you're excited, make sure to click that like button and click subscribe for more remote work from home opportunities. Let's get into the video. So this opportunity here is for a medical transport company. This is a customer service position. The work hours are flexible and the pay is up to $18 an hour. So here's what to expect. You'll be taking calls and answering questions from callers in need of medical transportation services, and then coordinating, updating, canceling, and confirming appointments. You'll also engage with a wide demographic of callers and servicing as a representative, delivering customer service. Now, here's what it takes to succeed. You have to display patience, empathy, and a unique ability to manage stress and the capability to work under pressure and adapt to adverse situations. Also, provide knowledge, friendly, and eloquent customer service, and experience working with users to identify the best solutions. As far as education goes, no degree is necessary. This is a great work from home opportunity for anyone who's ready to invest in themselves and work hard to service a client through the Arise platform. Here's what you'll be doing. You'll be providing great customer service calls for a medical transportation company client. And what you need to get started is to register, select a client company, enroll in a certification course, and then also you just need basic work from home equipment. Also, remember, this is not an offer of employment. This is an opportunity to enter into a business-to-business relationship with Arise. So if you're interested in getting started with this work from home opportunity, go ahead and click that first link in the description. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, or if you're going to go for this opportunity, go ahead and leave a comment below. And as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.